at the last event, there were a lot of 20-something musicians who had discovered klezmer music on their own. And they came to our festival and they studied with the various music teachers. And then they were jamming with people who were much older than they are. And one of the things that we've found about our events, and I know it's true about KlezCamp, is that Yiddish culture brings generations together in a way that the arts do, in a way that nothing else does. Now, sitting in an audience watching, that doesn't bring you together. But if you're dancing, it doesn't matter the age or the political views or the religious views of the person next to you. You're being a Jewish community. You're celebrating Yiddish culture, and people have a great time.